All right, special announcement, rare opportunity, maybe probably once in a lifetime opportunity to help the world and make good money in the process. The focus is setting up partnerships and manufacturing water power generators. This is huge and it's already happening worldwide. And we want to get we are directed by the Lord. That's what we want, is what the Lord wants. We want to get manufacturing going in every city of the world. And everyone can run on 100% water. Water can be recycled, so you only have to fill up once in general. There's exceptions, obviously, but in general, the water can be recycled. So this is Sir T. I'm the guy on most of the videos that you've watched. If you've watched this channel, also encourage people to check out our website, wits.ws. But the special announcement, a huge announcement, is this is a once-in-lifetime opportunity. I'm going to repeat that, to make big money. There are already people making $1 million a month, over $1 million a month in this business. Basically, manufacturing partnerships, manufacturing of water power generators, partnerships with World Improvement through the Spirit Ministries. Go to wits.ws to see our website. Join us on the programs live every week. Water-powered engines and generators, what the Lord told us to focus on. We have thousands of technologies, but this is what the Lord told us to focus on, and set up manufacturing everywhere on this planet. We believe we have entered into the tribulation period. We could be wrong on this, but we're believing the time is short, and this is something people are going to need. Turmoil is going to be marking, if we're right, turmoil will be marking the next 7 years, and that means war and probably grid collapse. In other words, no electricity. So water power generators are going to be huge. You can do 100% water power. This is a rare financial opportunity. We've had homeless people actually went from being homeless. One of them bought a motorhome yesterday, and he's going to run it on water, 100% water. He's going to drive all over I better not say what country, but he's going to drive. It'll be big news. We'll announce it later when he does it. He's going to drive all the way across some big country and on water, 100% water. So it's exciting stuff. We are setting up people. If you're mechanically inclined, if you're business inclined, or if you just you're sure you have a calling from the Lord, send us an email to wits2014 and we'll work it out. It does cost money. I don't want anybody to get the wrong idea, but 2 guys that were homeless both came up with the money, and they're no longer homeless, and they're doing the business. So it is doable for anybody. It's a rare opportunity. And if you don't know anything about the ministry, we are servants of God, servants of humanity, servants, in other words, and religion is not what God is all about. God is about relationship. So we stress that and teach that. And our free teachings are on wits.ws. Look for the word archives. Click on that. Hundreds and thousands of free teachings, thousands of free classes. This special offer is not one of the free ones, but it is a rare opportunity to make a good living and bless the world at the same time. And the focus is blessing the world, not making money, but you will make money. And let's see, I'm looking at my notes, so I apologize. My eyes are wandering a little bit. We are the ones who, World Improvement through the Spirit Ministries, we are a team of scientists and servants of God and servants of humanity and engineers. And we are the ones who gave you most of the technology you enjoy every day, like air conditioning. A lot of types of heating was developed by the ministry. 60 cycles, AC was developed by the ministry. Actually, we did a lot of DC stuff as well before the AC was developed. And so that's who we are. And we gave most of our technology away to the world down through the years. Tesla was our 4th spokesman, Nikola Tesla, our 4th spokesman. The 6th was Ron Brandt, pretty well known also. First one, Michael Faraday, pretty well known also. All of them brothers in the Lord, godly people. I'm the 7th spokesman. The Lord recently told us that now is the time. He spoke to our hearts. He said, now is the time. Now is the time to set up manufacturing worldwide. So watch all the videos on this channel if you haven't already done so. Pray about it and do as God leads your heart. If God's leading your heart, then get in touch with us. Send an email to WITS 2014. That's WITS 2014 @yahoo.com. If you believe God is leading you to become a partner in manufacturing, and put that in the subject. I sense God's leading to become a partner in manufacturing, and we will get you started. We'll work out the deal, and yeah, it's a rare opportunity. It's one of the things that you can think about here is there's the dark side been running this world and way too powerful, way too long, and most people are in the grip of the dark side. Well, we are not in the grip of the dark side. We are the sons of God, the children of God, and now is the time for us to stand up and start doing the works of God. And one of the things that we need to do in this time of the end is fixing the world's energy situation. It's we've been basically, the earth is in a stranglehold, literally choking to death on poisonous gases, all these things cause cancer, by the way, and we don't need to go there. In other words, Christians don't need to be involved with fossil fuels. The water is 100% clean, gives off oxygen, gives off water. It's 100% recyclable, right in your same engine. You only have to fill it up once. The evil empire is going to fall. It is falling now. The oil barons are the only ones that are really going to be hurt. It's win-win for everybody. It's win-win for all of humanity. It's win-win for the planet. It's win-win for everybody. The oil barons, their time is up. They've been at the top too long, and actually they already know that they're losing the grip on this. So they'll realize they can't beat us. They got to join us. So rare opportunity. Pray about it and send us an email if you believe God's leading you to do so, to join the team. And thank you all. Good night, good day, and good morning, wherever you are. This is Sir T.